Hi everyone, it's Don, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. What's going on with my what's what the heck? I feel like alfalfa from the. Well, people are always asking me to do a room tour whenever I stay, so they have ideas where to stay in Cruiseport. So I am in Miami today. I'm at the Hilton Blue Lagoon, which is near the airport. They do have parking here. They do have shuttles, free shuttles back and forth to the airport, and they do have shuttles going downtown to the cruise port as well. So you don't have to go all the way downtown to worry about getting a shuttle for the airport. You can still stay near the airport. Get off, it's just a drive around the corner and it's here. Let me show you this hotel and the room I have. Now I did book a suite because it was the only thing left. This was a last minute booking for me. It's not the most expensive suite in the place by no means, and it wasn't that bad of a price. It was only $290 US, which is about right for Miami for most of the hotels I've been staying at. But take a look at the hotel that I got. All right, so here we have a desk. Suitcase is all set to go down here. Then we have a sitting area. Had my room service last night. I got in pretty late. 50-inch screen TV. And yes, I didn't make my bed yet. I slept in it, but I mean, look at the size of this room. And it also has a large screen TV in here as well. So the best thing is, one of the best things of this room is, let's take a look. Here's my view down below the pool. Not a bad little area at all. And I'll show you something else in a minute. Let me go in and take a quick look in the bathrooms, because this is one of my favorite bathrooms. Huge area here for getting ready, although I'm surprised they only have a single sink in a suite, but you know, small details. And then a nice big large walk-in shower, which I really appreciate. The rain shower and a glass enclosure like that. I hate getting into a tub when I'm in a hotel to take my shower. I like those standalone. And they have, of course, the mini fridge and everything over here. Look at this nice lounge chairs to sit and relax. So again, look at the size of the room. It's huge. And it comes with a balcony. Look at the size of this balcony. And in case you're wondering if you have kids, if it's worried or not, don't worry. It's actually a screened-in porch, so you can't look out anywhere. But imagine spending a day or two here, looking down at the pool below, and just at this view with the Miami skyline in the background. Yeah. So I can't complain about anything about the hotel. Once again, this is the Hilton Blue Lagoon. Very nice suites. They do, you know, relatively cheap compared to what the size room is you get compared to a hotel downtown near the cruise port, and they still have that shuttle. So not only do you get off the airplane and you can just you don't have to drive all the way downtown, you just go here, then you're basically ready for your trip and we can relax already. You don't have to worry about that heading downtown in traffic if you arrive at 5 o'clock or something like that. And can you see the plane going by? I don't know. There it is. If you're a plane enthusiast, pretty good spot as well. Although you don't hear the planes when you're in the room, so that was, you know, I hardly heard them at all. But I was dead tired. But that's the Blue Lagoon Hilton Hotel. Great location. Airport's right there. Shuttles, everything you can ask for. Good restaurants. Ate here last night. No complaints. Wish I could stay here another day and explore the spa and the pool area and that, but so far, nice hotel, nice viewing area, great skyline, great views, not a bad price. Well, I hope you liked this little video on the Blue Lagoon. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You want to see more tips, more tricks, more travel blogs from around the world? Hit that subscribe button. Till next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation.